Hey there, this is Jennifer Wood. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to make a Facebook cover photo or an event photo on through Canva or PicMonkey. So it really doesn't take much time at all. When you're kind of learning, it takes a little bit of time, but there's some simple features that make it really easy to make a quick cover photo or any kind of photo really. But I'm going to show you for tutorial purposes how to make a cover photo for like an event or for a challenge group, something like that. So the first thing you need to do is find your background image. So I went to google.com. I'm going to type in 2016 because I'm making a flyer for the New Year, New You online fitness and nutrition group. Then you click images and you look through here and find the one that really resonates with you. Make sure you don't pick images that have like this. You don't want that. It's not going to look professional. So you want to make sure that there's no copyright stuff on the photo. And you're just using this in a group. You should, if you're using this on a blog, you may need to check to see if there's any copyright issues, but typically I haven't had any issues. So this is the one I'm going to use. So you want to click Save Image As, and then save it to your desktop or somewhere that you can easily find it. Now close that window. Okay, so now you're in Canva. It is canva.com. If you haven't set up an account yet, I highly recommend it. You may have to do it, but it's a great free program. You can pay, but almost everything I do in here is absolutely free. What I love about it is you can save these free templates. So all of these are saved so that I can easily click on them, open them up, and edit the information on them without having to redo the entire thing. So it's really great. I really love it. Okay, so back to how to make the cover photo. You're going to click on Facebook cover, creating a design, and something to think about is, let me show you. That the picture here is in a different spot than where it's going to be in your group. So if you're doing this in a challenge group, your face is not going to be here. This is going to be more open. You're going to have these little buttons right here. So keep that in mind when you are making your cover photo. If you're doing a cover photo for yourself, then yes, you'll have that box right there. All right, so now you go to uploads, and you normally have to upload your own image. So you click upload your own image, click on that image right there. You're going to click it and drag it over. So I'm going to put it right, I don't know. I won't go into like perfection here, but probably right here. All right. Remember, you're not going to see this. This thing right here is not going to be there. All right, so now what you want to do, oh, and you can make it bigger. So you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can crop it if you need to, you can add a filter. There's all kinds of stuff, but I'll just show you like the basic stuff for now. Background, if you want to change the background color, all of these are free. You can pay, but I don't recommend it. So you can just do a background, or you can leave it white. You can use a color. I'll probably just leave it white so it kind of blends in. Text. So these are really cool. I like this because it has all these really neat, they're kind of already set up for you. So you can just click them and then change the font. Or if you want to add your own, like for now I'll just add, well, I'll show you two different things. So you could do new year. Something like that, or delete it. Or you could, you just add add a font here. You can change, like, do different ones. So, new year. New you. To drag it, you just click it and move it over. I'm gonna make these bigger. Make them bigger. I mean, it's really, really simple. And once you get the hang of it, I mean, you could have this done in like 5 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. It makes it look very, very professional. You know, you are a professional. You want your business to look like professional, not perfect, but you know, and it's just fun. It's like marketing. It's advertising. Um, you're, anyway. So I probably need to move it up more. And then maybe make these a different color. Let's see, let's try red. New year, new you. You could also like find a quote, put a quote on there. I like to do that sometimes, so maybe like fitness, motivation, quote. So I'm just basically doing a search. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to look at images, and I'm just going to see what really speaks to me. What do I think would really help people, you know, whatever your group is about. If it's about makeup, then something about beauty or success, or but like mine is fitness and motivation. So I'm looking for something that's going to really help motivate them. So I'm going to probably go with this one. The body achieves what the mind believes. So to do that, you're going to add another text box, and then I'm going to type that in here. The body achieves what the mind believes. Did I spell that right? I-E. Nope. I don't know who said that, but we're just going to keep it like that. Normally, if I know who says it, then I'll put, you know, like a dash and then whoever said the quote, but I'm not sure who said it. So now you just kind of play with the fonts to see which one you like. Let's see. That's kind of cute. Make it a little bigger. Because remember, you're going to be able to see over here where this face is. And then lastly, I usually put our team logo on there because I love our team and it's awesome. So these are images I've already uploaded. So you just click on the image and it'll add it to the page. Of course, if it's white, it's not going to show up on a white background. So you're going to have to think about that. So anyways, that's really how you do it. It could be as simple as this. You don't have to add anything, or you could even, like, I could make a quick logo if I wanted to, like super, super easy. Like right here, I could just do that, and then come along, add another one, revolution, change the font, maybe something, like that. You may have to adjust this a little bit too. I'll show you. All right, so all right, that's kind of cute. I think it's too high, so I'm just going to move it down a little bit. But again, it's going to save this as a template, so you can always come back and modify it. Really kind of cool. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to upload it into an event, or you could put it in a Facebook page or anything. But I just made an event called New Year, New You, and it needs a cover photo. So I'm going to add event photo, choose upload photo. Oh, I didn't save it. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. Okay, so you have to save it. So you want to download it for the web, PNG. Now you can say add event photo, upload photo, and it should be in your downloads. You just click it. It's really, really simple. Normally this doesn't take long at all. And you should be able to see all of this. Drag to reposition. So if you want to, oh, I can't move it. So what I'm going to do is right here, it's kind of hard to see. So I'm going to move this up a little bit. So I'll just cancel that and then go over here, and I'm going to move this up, move this up, move this up, that, and it should be fine now. So let's try this again. There we go. And there it is. Save changes. And now the event has a professional looking cover photo, and you can also go back. So now that's done. So for your group, so you have the event, and then I'll show you an example. So if you want to make one of these for your group page, you can basically use the exact same one. So you can come back here, and just remember that the pictures are going to be in different spots. So you could use the exact same thing as your, let me show you how. So you're going to go home. If you're not familiar with how to create a group, you go to this left side, so you clicked home, click groups. You're going to click create a group, group name, New Year, New You. I'm just going to add my husband because I don't really want to set this up right now, but we'll delete it in a minute. Add the group to your favorites. I usually make it closed or secret, and create. Really, really simple. You're going to pick what little icon you want. Now you can upload that photo. So you can use the same photo for each one so that you don't have to duplicate, do it again. So you can, but you can see how you might need to move things around a little bit if you want it to look a little better. So like in that case, I would move this down a little bit, this up a little bit, maybe make that smaller, and then it would look cool. So we are doing things a little bit differently now, where I put kind of what we require in the group in the cover photo, like what we want you to do for success. So I feel like that kind of helps them give a, like, so they know kind of what they're supposed to do. So here's an example of a cover photo that we have for the group that's starting. So anyways, I won't go into all of it, but I just wanted to show you guys that because it's super, super easy to use Canva. I love it. You know, it's just great. It's really easy to use. So if you learned something, please comment below. Let me know that you liked this video.